Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have learned about electrical energy. And today we'll be learning about mechanical energy. The energy that a body possesses due to its position or motion, that is, energy due to position and energy due to its motion. That gives rise to mechanical energy. Now, the vehicle and holding, as you can see the vehicle running and holding the iron ball over there. So energy due to its motion and energy due to its position. So mechanical energy, that is energy of motion, the total energy of motion and position of an object, that is, gives rise to two kinds of energy. One is potential energy and the next one is kinetic energy. Mechanical energy can be all potential energy, all kinetic energy, or some of each. Two forms of energy. Energy due to its position, that is the potential energy. Look at this, a boy riding a cycle and climbing the uphill. Okay, this is the energy, potential energy, stored energy, energy due to its position, and when it goes down, that will be kinetic energy due to motion. So once again, different forms of energy. Potential energy, where that is energy going up. Also you need kinetic energy because it's in motion. The energy once you are on top, all right, that is the potential energy, and again when you go down, that is the kinetic energy. Holding a ball by this girl, that means potential energy, and when you release the ball, that is the kinetic energy. Now let us understand potential energy. Energy that is stored and been held waiting to be used is potential energy. Examples: a car parked in a parking lot, a child at the top of a slide, a ball sitting on a table, someone pulling an arrow back on a bow. So over here you can see the potential energy over here. Once you release the arrow, that arrow gives rise to kinetic energy. Now hammer, when you don't hit the hammer, that and you have stored energy, that is the potential energy. When you start hitting the hammer to the nail, that will give rise to kinetic energy. So then next let's understand the kinetic energy. The energy of motion that is released from stored energy. First one, arrow released from the bow, flying through the air. An object rolling down a hill. Muscles moving and a car moving. Once again, stored form of energy, and when you go down, that is kinetic energy. Stored form of energy, you go down, that gives rise to kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy an object has due to motion. These are the various examples that's been given. Once again, examples of kinetic energy: shooting a rubber band, water falling over the water, or yo-yo in motion. Whenever you hold the yo-yo in your hand, that is the potential energy, and once you release that is the kinetic energy. Any game that when you are trying to kick the ball, you are always in a position, and that is the potential energy. And once the ball, you kick the ball, that is the ball starts rolling. That gives rise to the kinetic energy, releasing the arrow from the bow. So, children, this is all about two forms of energy that we have learned, and we have understood about mechanical energy, that is potential energy, energy due to position, and once the cycle goes down, that is the kinetic energy, energy due to its motion. Children, so this is all we'll be learning for today.